In today's video, I'll show you how to install the Property Manager mod and start buying and managing properties in GTA 5. Check my video description for this mod link. Right click on the Lemon UI and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Close stuff here, right click on the game and select Open File Location. Open the scripts folder. If it doesn't have scripts folder created for GTA 5, then check my video description for this tutorial video on how to create a scripts folder in GTA 5. Once you created following this video steps, open the scripts folder and open this SHV and 3 and drag and drop these three files inside. And once you're done, go back, open this property manager, drag and drop these two files inside the scripts. And now go back, open the Malibu Mansion main files, and now open OpenIV. If it doesn't have OpenIV installed for GTA 5, then check my video description for tutorial video on how to install OpenIV for GTA 5. Once you install done, select this ASI manager and make sure all three are installed, and then close and select edit mode and select yes option and go to mods, update x64 DLC packs, drag and drop this Malibu Mansion inside. Once you're done, go back to GTA 5, open mods, update, update.rpf, common, data, scroll down, right click on the DLC list and select edit, scroll down to the bottom, copy this lost name and next to item press enter, paste the name we copied and right click on the Malibu Mansion and select rename, copy this name, go back and paste right in this place and select save option. Close stuff here and now you can launch the game, guys. Once you are in game, press Q plus down arrow to activate this property manager. Select this no ketchup and select this Malibu Mansion, and we have 11 gods in our Malibu Mansion. Select this teleport to property option and we are right in front of our property. Press backspace 2 times to close this property menu, and we have personal accountant. Go near to him and use down arrow. You can choose the car before you go out. As you can see, there are two cars. Right now there is only one car. Just press enter to select the car. The accountant will be taken queue in front of you. Give you the car before you go out. You can get in and drive. Go to the front door in property. You can able to see option show report using down arrow and brought for tax services, everything it will shown. Press again down arrow to close this. Press E to show the property menu, and right now you can sell for this much money, and using down arrow you can see the maintenance cost for a day. And that's how you can install this property manager for GTA 5. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.